Hello everybody. Today's come the day to tick something off of my bucket list that's actually been sorely needed in the garden, and that's the removal of this tree. Now, it's been on my bucket list to cut down a tree without the use of a chainsaw for a little while, and so I figured I'd film it. If it all goes terribly, I'll just won't show anybody the video, but it's worth a try. So looking at this tree here, I need it to fall in that direction, in between this tree and these bushes, and the aim is to eventually as well use it for some firewood and things for the winter. It's my ideal weather right now. It's cold and a bit windy, but thankfully, because we're really sheltered, the wind won't cause us any problems at all, and the tree is not very extensive vertically, and so it looks like the only problem that could potentially arise is that it turns out I'm terrible at hitting trees with an axe. And so I guess we're about to find out. I'll show you my tools. So we've got gloves, which are essential for not tearing your hands to ribbons, and then some saws just in case, and then lastly but not least is a sharp axe. It could be sharper, to be honest, but you know, we're about to find out how much of a detriment to the tree it will be. From what I know, you're supposed to make cut a wedge on the side that you want it to fall in, and then just above that on the other side secondarily, and then widen those gaps, and it should hopefully fall in that direction. And so we're about to, I suppose, find out how well or how terribly that goes. So wish me well, I suppose. I think the problem is my aim, but we're making some kind of progress. Nobody tell the ants. Right, saw time. This is proving to be much easier, but therefore it might be a bit of a cop out. Tree going. Oh, I heard that move. Oh, trying to get out of the way. She's floating. Right, I'm going to actually try and grab the camera and put it somewhere at a good distance. I heard the tree cracking and trying to move, so I'm going to try and frame it up over here. Right. There she is. Hopefully the tree that's in front of will protect the camera from this. I'm going to try and use the axe from now on.
Give me your pretty, give me your messy, give me your happy, give me your sad. I may be staying, I may be going, I may be left, I may fall apart. Come to my table, come to my bed, go.
That was probably not the safest thing to do, but tree has become dislodged from trunk, so I'm going to try and pull it down. Now going that way instead of that way, but it's safe over there too.
Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head. Oh, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down.
This is about as far as I'm going to move it because it's sort of wedged in volume over there. But for the first time, I'm happy. If I'd have made a hash of it this badly for the 100th time I cut down trees, I ought to be sacked. But for the first time, ticking it off my bucket list, I'm quite pleased. So maybe I'll send a picture of all the wood it gets carved up into over the next couple of days. Praise the Lord.